Former Secretary General of the Umkhonto weSizwe Party, Floyd Shivambu, has launched a scathing attack on his former comrades, leveling damning allegations against the party's national spokesperson, Nhlamulo Ndlela, and the Member of Parliament, Duduzile Zuma Sampudla, the daughter of the former President, Jacob Zuma. Speaking at a tense media briefing held at luxury boutique hotel in Midrand, Shivambu did not hold back as he detailed what he described as the real reasons behind his abrupt removal from the party's top ranks. Shivambu dismissed the official narrative around his expulsion, which was reportedly that he visited Shepherd Bushiri in Malawi. It dismissed those allegations and said, "There's a bizarre and fabricated intelligence report claiming I wanted to overthrow President Zuma. It even says I have supernatural powers to make people vanish. This is pure fiction." According to Shivambu, the real motives were political, rooted in internal rivalries, and an attempt to silence him for challenging questionable financial conduct within the party, and said this is not about a church trip, referring to a previous excuse linked to his visit to controversial religious leader Shepherd Bushiri, and said the Bushiri visit was just a convenient excuse. The real issue was my refusal to turn blind eye to corruption. The former Secretary General claimed that a faction within the Umkhonto weSizwe Party leadership is siphoning off 7 million rand per month from the party coffers, and said President Zuma is surrounded by political scoundrels who manipulate his kindness or perhaps his gullibility due to age to feed him fake intelligence reports. He alleged these lies are crafted to remove anyone who challenges their looting. He further claimed to have raised these issues internally but was met with resistance from what he described as a clique of untouchables, and said I was not afraid to speak out, even against all odds. I raised these concerns within the party structures. I have confronted those who take drugs, tweet insults at night, and act like the untouchable. In a follow-up interview aired on ENCA Today, Shivambu intensified his attack, this time directly naming Nhlamulo Ndlela and Duduzile Zuma Sampudla. He described Ndlela as a drunken fool who was constantly high and unfit to represent the party in any capacity, and said Ndlela comes to every meeting drunk. He brags about how he lies to the former President Jacob Zuma and uses Duduzile, who is completely directionless, to influence decisions because she has front row access to her father. When asked if Duduzile was among those he had previously accused of drug use and late night online tirades, Shivambu stopped short of confirming her name and said, "I never said it was Duduzile. I said there are people in the Umkhonto weSizwe Party who take drugs and then insult us at night." These explosive statements by Shivambu underscores the widening cracks within the Umkhonto weSizwe Party, which has struggled with factionalism and leadership disputes since its formation. As the party grapples with the public perception and internal chaos, Shivambu made it clear that he has no intention of fading quietly into the background, whether his revelations lead to reform or further fracture the MK party remains to be seen. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.